Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma Graphics. In today's video I'm going to we are going to look at stroke. All right, how to apply stroke effect to a text. So that's what we are going to look into today. So this is exactly what you can see on your screen. This is what we are going to look at, what we are going to create. What I mean by stroke effect, I'm going to use this as an example. Let me bring this somewhere down here. We can expand this. I want to apply a stroke. A stroke actually means outline. All right, it means an outline. I'm going to apply outline to this text. So just look at the text, what you are going to see, just like that, guys. I'm going to increase this a little bit. So I apply yellow outline to this effect. All right, to that text effect I apply yellow. So when you look closely, you will see that there is yellow outline on this text. All right, so you have white as a fill color, and then you now have yellow as an outline color. Okay, so that's what I mean by the stroke. So we are going to try to try to achieve that right now. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. This is Emma Graphics, where we learn everything regarding graphics design. All right, so we are going to try to create this. So the first thing you are going to do is to grab your text tool. So text tool is right here. All right, so when you get your text tool and then you start typing, I'm going to type stroke, since that's what we are going to do. So I'll type stroke and I'm going to increase the size. The font size, I'll just increase it like this, and I will change the fonts of course. As you can see, I'm going to change the font to something, I don't know, I think I'm okay with this. All right, so let's use this. I'm going to use this. So if you can see, the spacing is very big, so I'm trying to close the space. So you come here, if you want to close the space, you come down here and you click this and reduce the space like that, guys. And the next thing we are going to do, guys, we are going to apply a color to this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just apply a color. I'm not sure, we can use this, because let's use red. We can use red. So then we are going to apply the outline, so the stroke. So you have to come to your drop shadow tool. When you click on it, and you click on the second one, the contour. So once you click on the contour, you have to come here and click and drag. All right, click and drag just like that. As you can see, we have an outline. You can see the black outline on this. If you like, you can increase it. If you like, you can decrease it. All right, it just depends on what you want. I think we will leave it like this for the benefit of this tutorial. So if you look at the first one we created, you see that we have more than two colors on this thing. So we have the first one, which is this one that looks like the milk color, and then we have the other one looks like the brown color, dark brown. So we have the white color round need as well. So we have like three colors. So we have to go back and apply different color to this. All right, so first of all, we are going to break the contour apart. So we are trying to break the contour apart because we have to close these holes. You can see this particular hole has blue on it, so all these things we need to close it. All right, in order for our our outline to come out clean. So you right click on this stroke. All right, then you see this will pop up. All right, this dialog box pop up. So you come to the second one that says break contour group apart. So you click on it. So as you can see, this contour is apart. This particular one will is different from the black one. Alright, so you can see the black one is now separated from the first one, the red one. So the next thing, you click on the black one, you come down to your crop or shape tools, whichever one you want to call it, and then you select, okay, just click and drag, cover this particular O, then you delete. You right click on it and you see delete, you delete. You can see that that place has completely turned black. So you click on the same thing here, click and drag, cover it and delete, so it become black. You can do anywhere you want to turn to black. That's what you do. You just click, right click, delete. I'm going to do the same thing to this. Alright, right click and delete, same as this. That's how you apply stroke, guys. So I don't want to use black there, so I'm trying to use a color that's a little bit you know, to pop out. I think the black is fine there, so that we can apply white to the last one. So let's use black here. So I'm going to apply another contour to this black one. So I'm going to apply a contour. So what I need to do is to click and drag. Alright, as you can see, it's coming up black because this place has black on it. So all I need to do is to change it to white. So I'm going to pick a color. So right, so as you can see, we have changed that to white. We have changed the third color to white. So now we apply two different strokes or outline, if you want to call it outline, to this text. Alright, so don't forget that this thing up here, this preset in this your property bar, when you look at your property bar, this pretext, all these things, it's just a way for you to change the style of this stroke. So as you can see, if you want to change this to corner, we're actually using corner. So you can use round, you can use bevel corners, you can use this is what we are actually using, the meter corner. So that's what we are using. So you can use this. If you want, you can use inside contour. Alright, let's apply. You can see this is inside contour. I'm using this inside contour now. As you can see, now this one has become white. Let's go to the previous one. Let's return. So as you can see, this is how it works. So you see that this thing is actually, as you can see what this one is giving us, to center. So as you can see, the contour is up, it's taking the outline to the center. Alright, so just you can play around with this, because these are some of the things you will be able to use in order to make your design become beautiful. Alright, so on that note, I think we will stop here. So that's basically how we apply stroke to our text. Okay, text effect, how to apply all these outlines to our text. So if you are new to my channel, like I said earlier, kindly go to that notification bell, click on it, and I will see you in my next video. Like this video, share, so that other people can benefit as well. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.